KeraNetics is committed to the development of innovative new keratin-based medical products, and we have a focus on trauma care and biodefense. Our company is based in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, in the Innovation Quarter. We were founded in 2008. I'm one of the founders. We have 23 employees, and over the years, we've been able to build our internal bench strength for research and development. We have 6 PhDs on staff. We have exclusive rights to 18 patents in fields of use and methods of manufacturing. We occupy 12,000 square feet and houses our CGMP manufacturing facility. We are focused in 2 main areas, KeraStat for advanced wound care and KeraGenics for tissue regeneration. We're proud of the company that we've kept. We have partnered with many prestigious academic institutions across the United States. And I think the secret to our success has been that for every dollar in private equity that we've raised, we've matched that 1-to-1 with non-dilutive funding, primarily from the federal government. But I really want to thank the North Carolina Biotechnology Center, the Department of Defense, and the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority, better known as BARDA, for their continued support. So I'm a serial entrepreneur. This is my 8th startup. I'm going to shock a lot of you who know me. I've learned a few things over the years. And I think probably the most important lesson is it takes luck and timing to be successful. And the second thing is that entrepreneurship is a team sport. You know, I'm really lucky that Bill Hawkins is my best friend and my chairman and my wingman. And together we've built a fantastic team at KeraNetics who's really driven a lot of our success. So what do? We're working with keratin proteins. They're human-derived. They're a very novel and versatile biomaterial, and it allows our scientists to be able to engineer and tune these proteins for very specific use. So where are we focused? 2 main areas, KeraStat for advanced wound care and KeraGenics for tissue regeneration. We received over $10 million from the U.S. government for R&D funding for this division. The first is from BARDA. We're trying to work in cutaneous radiation injury, part of the Homeland Defense. KeraStat mitigates the effects of exposure to ionizing radiation. And the civilian market for that is radiation dermatitis for patients undergoing oncology treatment, radiation therapy. The next is for the Department of Defense. We're working on thermal burn. It accelerates wound healing and reduces scarring. And last in our pipeline, we're working on antibiotic and opiate drug delivery. This is a topical delivery, and it's applied directly to the wound site. The next is KeraGenics. We've received over $8 million in government funding to support our research and development in this division. We're working on injectable bone regeneration. Keratin serves as a really nice and novel controlled delivery vehicle for bone growth factors, and we're focused on long bones and for craniofacial defects. We're also working in muscle regeneration. We find that keratin does a really great job in repairing large muscle defects. So where are we going? I'm proud to say that last week I had a meeting with the FDA, and I think we are now poised and have clarity to be able to take that final step of the journey from the benchtop to the bedside. I think 2016 is going to be a year of value inflection for KeraNetics. We're going to get FDA clearance of our first product, KeraStat for thermal burns. We hope to also secure our second contract with BARDA. This contract will allow us to complete development of the product for radiation injury, to scale up manufacturing, and get the product ready for acquisition into the National Strategic Stockpile. And finally, I hope to enter into some strategic corporate partnerships to help us to accelerate product development, distribution, both in the government and the civilian markets. Thank you very much. We're excited about our future, and I look forward to talking to you.